So tell me about Dexter beef, Dr. Mike.
Hi there. I heard about Dexter beef about 3 or 4 months ago at a farmer's market, and I was talking to this fellow, and they're a heritage type of beef. They've been around since the 1800s, and pound for pound, when you look at a normal cow, you get 1,200 pounds of cow, gives you 500 pounds of meat once it's dressed out, and a Dexter is 700 pounds to cow to 500 pounds of meat, and so it's very dense meat and much healthier for you from that perspective. But the other thing I learned as well about cows is that they typically endogenously, meaning internally, produce their own hormones up until about 2 years of age. So you get a male cow, baby cow, and it's producing its own hormones up until 2 years of age. And so if that cow is taken to the butcher, which it typically is at around 18 months, it's got a high internal estrogen production. And so you then want to, in an ideal world, would let that cow age a bit longer, and so that it gets into the lower estrogen and higher testosterone. At about 2.5 years of age, it starts producing its own testosterone. And one of the reasons we're seeing, little girls getting their periods earlier, boys are growing breasts nowadays, and it's because of the higher estrogen that's in our food. And so eating an older cow is a good way to start.
That's great. Thank you so much for that tip.
Yes, you're welcome.